looking here at a very scarce 19th century advertising gazetteer. It's Hannifan's, and in addition to these pictorial covers with ads and the end papers, like so, with ads, we see scattered throughout this profusion of illustrated advertising, just hundreds and hundreds of illustrated ads. Almost every one of these has a woodcut associated with it. It's quite a, yeah, it's really something. It's great. Look at that bathtub. Look at the dentist. Yeah, that's funny. A house and a sign painter on scaffolding. It's great. It's wonderful. It's great stuff. And at the rear is this large folding map of the state, which is distinguished by a feature not typically seen on maps, which is advertising printed on the reverse of it. And so when we go to unfold it like this, what we see are all of these ads here, like so. And we get this very large color lithograph map like this with an extensive index all around it, inset of Boston. There's a small hole here where this small little piece has become stuck, but there's no loss of printed area there. And this scarce item is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.